Today, Mia and Sam are working at a big warehouse. It's a very busy day. Let's listen and learn. We will speak slowly.
Sam, we have a big order today. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What do we need to find first?
A box of toys. Look, it's on the top shelf.
I see it. Wow, it's up so high.
It's on the top shelf. We use this to say where something is.
Oof, this box is very heavy.
Be careful, please. Use the trolley.
Good idea. The trolley makes it so easy.
Be careful. We say this to keep someone safe.
Now let's scan all the boxes.
Okay. Beep. 1 box of toys.
How many boxes do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes.
We use how many to ask about numbers.
Great. Now let's pack everything.
I will close the boxes with tape.
Nice work, Sam. The boxes look perfect.
Phew, this is hard work. I'm so tired.
You did a great job. Let's take a little break.
Let's take a break. We say this when we want to rest.
Oh, listen. I hear the truck.
The truck is here, right on time.
Let's load all the boxes.
One by one. Careful, careful.
And that's the last box. We did it.
We did it. We say this when we finish something together.
Last thing. Please check and sign the order form.
Toys, books, 6 boxes. Everything is correct. Signed.
Wonderful. High five, Sam. Great teamwork.
Great job listening. Let's remember 3 useful phrases from today. 1. It's on the top shelf. 2. Be careful. 3. We did it. Practice these phrases today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.